The most unexpected moments caught on doorbell camera. CCTV footage captured two friends passing by a man's house when they suddenly stopped and did something unexpected. The two porch pirates assigned one person to enter and remove the flag on the porch, while the other person stood outside keeping watch, but they didn't anticipate an impending accident. As soon as the porch pirate stepped outside, he tripped over the fence and fell on the ground painfully. The fall left him seriously injured and unable to move on his own, so his accomplice had to help him leave.